I would like to say, Karibuni Kisumu. This is Ruth Odinga, Mama County Kisumu. So you're all welcome. I'm the last, Mama County. Oh, there's the other Mama County, First Lady. You're all welcome, and I won't want to say much. I only want to say one thing. When my brother Buru stood here, he said that he talked a lot about his father. But I want to also say one, that if any of you want to see Jaramogi alive, look at me, from my hair to my toe. My Jaramogi muna no kani. Achal kode kadal mane oburu ji wacho no bure firstborn no buru chal kode. To baba ne wacho nega ni machal kode en chokacha made nyuol na go mana wuoyi. To kata kamano okakuodo wiye. Anyako bende mapod thuona. Donga uyego. Wan tie wan magore, gini pod magore to juoko ginga be an go. To juoko ginga wachona. Ni 2027 podumo neno mana Wuod Odinga moro kama dhi lido Kenya ka. Erokamano uru Nyasaye mondo duoko.
Thank you. Thank you, Nyakamami. So there's Tabu. Tabu, can you just get up and wave to the people? Just wave to the people. Tabu Osewe, who's MCA in Kisia County and is the wife to the late Osewe. I don't know where Quino is. You have already met everybody else. So let me just say a few words. I'm sure when I'm invited here, you don't want to hear about Jaramogi being a great politician, being a statesman, being a champion for the oppressed and all of that, because everybody has talked about that. I'm